blanks with the appropriate terms: temperature, volume, mass, density, humidity, acidic, weight, natural, shape. A. The capacity of the air to hold moisture depends upon the temperature of the air. B. Water does not have a shape but has definite volume and mass. C. While freezing, the density of water is lowered. D. Natural soil has pH 7. Question 2. Why is it said that A. Air is a homogeneous mixture of various gases? Answer. Pure air is a homogeneous mixture made primarily of nitrogen and oxygen. Its elements are not readily separated or distinguished from one another. Thus, it is said that air is a homogeneous mixture of various gases. B. Water is a universal solvent. Answer. Many substances are soluble in water. Thus, it is said that water is universal solvent. C. There is no alternative to water for cleaning purpose. Answer. Water is available everywhere. It is cheap and economical. Many substances dissolve in it. Thus, for many activities like cleaning, bathing, washing, etc., it is used. Thus, it is said that there is no alternative to water for cleaning purpose. Question 3. What will happen if A. The amount of water vapor in the air increases? Answer. The relative humidity increases. B. Only one crop is grown repeatedly in the soil. Answer. If only one crop is grown repeatedly in the soil, then the natural makeup of soil disturbs. Also, there will be nutrients depletion in soil. The fertility of soil also decreases. Question 4. With whom should I pair up? Group A, Group B. 1. Air. 2. Water. 3. Soil. A. Excretion. B. Scattering of light. C. Plasticity. Answer. 1. Air. 2. B. Scattering of light. 2. Water. 2A. Excretion. 3. Soil. To C. Plasticity. Question 5. State whether the following statements are true or false. A. Sandy soil has low capacity for holding water. Answer. True. B. Sea water is a bad conductor of electricity. Answer. False. C. The substance in which a solute dissolves is called a solvent. Answer. True. The pressure exerted by air is called atmospheric pressure. Answer. True. Question 6. Explain the picture in your own words. Answer. Picture A. Water is in liquid state. Water is a fluid substance. Water does not have its own shape but has a volume. It can pass through small holes or seep through very small gaps or cracks. Picture B. Ice expands and its volume increases. Ice becomes lighter than the water. The density of ice is less than of water. Ice expands to break the gaps. Question 7. Write answers to the following questions in your own words. A. How is light scattering by the air? Answer. Air is a mixture of very fine particles of some gases, dust, smoke, and moisture. When rays of light fall on these minute particles, the particles spread the light in all the directions. This natural phenomenon is called scattering of light. B. Explain the various properties of water. Answer. Properties of water. 1. Water occurs in liquid state. 2. Water odorless, tasteless, transparent liquid that is colorless in small amounts but exhibits a bluish color in large quantity. 3. Water does not have its own shape but has a volume. 4. Water is a universal solvent. 5. Water is a good coolant. 6. The density of water is peculiar. C. Why is the density of seawater more than that of rainwater? Answer. 1. Seawater has higher salinity. 2. There is about 35 gms of salt per liter of seawater. Thus, the density of seawater is more than that of rainwater. D. What is the importance of good soil structure? Answer. 1. The fertility of soil depends upon soil structure. 2. Soil structure depends upon the different shapes of the soil particles. 3. The advantages of good soil structure are as follows. 1. Root get sufficient supply of oxygen. 2. Water drainage is good, therefore the roots of plant grow well. E. What are the various uses of soil? Answer. Use of soil. 1. Plant conservation to help plants grow. 2. Water conservation. Soil holds water as a result by means of burns and lakes. We can get water for use throughout the year. 3. Plasticity. Soil can be given any required shape. This property of soil is called plasticity. Due to plasticity, we can use it to make articles of various shapes. F. What is the need and importance of soil testing from the point of view of farmers? Answer. 1. Soil testing is done to find the quality of the soil. 2. It helps to know about the good qualities of soil and its shortcomings. 3. Soil testing also helps to find out the color, texture, and content of organic matter in the soil. 4. The basic objective of the soil testing program is to give farmers a service leading to better and more economic use of fertilizer and better soil management particles for increasing agriculture production. G. What is the importance of air in transmission of sound? Answer. All the sounds that we hear reach us through the surroundings air. Sound waves rely on the medium for propagation. The propagation of sound waves is not possible through vacuum. Air plays very important role in the propagation of sound waves. H. Why should a glass bottle completely filled with water never be kept in a freezer? Answer. A glass bottle completely filled with water never be kept in freezer because when liquid tend to reach their freezing point, they tend to expand. If a completely filled glass bottle will be left in the freezer for some time, then the bottle